How to learn minimalism in architecture. When it comes to learning it, there is a great master of 20th century, none other than Tadao Ando. A Japanese architect and a winner of a Pritzker Prize, started his career in Japan. In 1973, Tadao built a row house in Sumiyoshi, a significant achievement during the time when the postmodernism was popular, marking a new era in architecture. Tadao Ando just started his career and his friend asked him to build a house. It was the first project of the Tadao Ando's career. With limited money and resources, Tadao created the house with the idea of making things simple. Every decision he made for the house was based on the tight budget and the space constraints, leading him to develop a new architecture style known as minimalism. The house was finished in a year. It looked like a cave with concrete walls on 4 sides and a skylight on the top. Unlike the typical modern houses, this house was more closed and dark inside with a courtyard at the center. The plan of the house is very simple. The front has the entrance and a living area, leading to the courtyard in the middle with the kitchen and dining area at the back side. Upstairs there are master bedroom and kids room connected with the bridge that exposed to the sky. A year later the project gained attention when it was featured in the Japanese magazine with the title Urban Gorilla House. This was a significant moment where Ando rejected the idea of modernism and embraced the challenges of modern life. His goal was to create spaces that were different from what people were used to, with the raw energy and the raw material. Tadao Ando's architecture is more like a sculpture rather than a traditional architecture. Let's see the section of the house. The row house was 3.4 meter wide and 12.6 meter long. It is located in the crowded area of Osaka. The site posed challenges with the shared wall on the both sides. Tadao Ando was very keen to use every single inches of the house because the size of the house is very small. He embraced the natural environment by putting a courtyard in the middle of the house, even though space was limited. Despite criticism, Ando saw the impact a small house could have on a society. He recognized his potential to start conversation and lead new ideas. The row house showed Ando's commitment to meeting his clients' needs. In the midst of the crowded surrounding, Ando's design of a concrete box with a central courtyard fit perfectly. The integration of the courtyard between living spaces along with a simple element created a variety of experiences within the house. The mix of the concrete walls with the light and air made the space feel alive and connected to the outside. Attention to detail was evident in the craftsmanship of the house, with interior elements made from natural materials like oak wood and slate stone. Over time, these materials aged gracefully, giving the house a timeless feel. The courtyard surrounding by the other buildings served as a buffer from the city noise and brought nature into the space, enhancing the experience of the residents. Tadao Ando's work is always very special because of its simplicity. He prioritized functionality over decoration. We can also implement these kind of simplicity into our design and make architecture more beautiful and elegant. If you follow these principles into your design, your client will appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next video. Salute.